Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to El Salvador. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened Ministry of External Relations El Salvador website. This is available in English and Spanish. You can switch. Now, if you go to services, there is a link for visas. You come here. Okay. Now, of course, there are certain countries that are visa exempt. So how to do it? Best is to select here your situation. And if you have Schengen visa, in many cases, you don't even need a visa. Similarly, for a Canada, US. All right. So let's say you are an Indian national. You select India here. Passport type, ordinary. It's asking, do you have a valid US, Canada, or Schengen visa? If I select yes, you qualify as visa exempt. Visit the nearest consulate to have the waiver stamp stamped in your passport. But if you don't have, what will you do? Do you legally reside in the country other than your nationality? I select no. Then they have said that you have qualified for a consular visa. I mean, open this form and then attach image of your passport and send to the following email address. But what if I am in a different country? Okay, then it's asking for a country of residence. So let's say you live in, for example, Nepal. Okay, just example. There's no change in visa category. Okay, so perfect. So just like your as per your situation, and when you send the email here, they may ask you to come to the embassy, send more documents, and anything that they really want. That varies case by case. Okay. So, and also like they may call you an embassy to get a visa stamped if they want to. All right. Now this form, if you open, it's in English, Spanish. So you have English here. So nothing to worry. Last name, given name, nationality. It's interactive form. Place and date of birth. Make sure it matches your passport address, phone number, type of passport, number of passport, date and place of issue, expiration, occupation, name and nationality of parents, mother, father, trip data, why you are going there, other data, have you required special entry permit, was granted, do you have valid permanent residency card, from what country, do you have valid American, Canadian or Schengen visa? They're just asking the questions again, signature, date and place. And along with passport, you have to send to them and then they will, if they want, they will ask you for additional documents or they may call you for stamping, anything that they really feel like. So that is how it will, and of course, they will ask you for the payment or the fee, okay, if everything goes smoothly. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.